Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert Excel to JavaScript. I have this Excel file with all data in it and I want to put it into JavaScript. And before doing this, I have to make sure that this Excel has no formula in it, or all formulas in this Excel has been transformed into values. There is a special way to do it. Into Excel, you select the whole thing, you just copy it and then paste, and you will have a paste with a special menu, and you can do paste with values and all formulas will be replaced with the values. You can have two copy of Excel files. One will be with formulas, another will be without formulas, so you can have a still working Excel document and one for conversion if you need to convert it to JavaScript. Now, to convert this Excel file into JavaScript, I will use my app I have created. Let me show it to you. So this is my website. I will link on the site in the description. And to find app, I will type Xls To JavaScript and click on page, double click on download to start downloading process and wait until file will be downloaded. So it will download archive with app on my local machine, and then I will install app. Basically, within Excel, here it is. Just click on it, click on archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm from Windows, because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish. You can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can minimize this and I can double click on shortcut to launch the app. Conversion is a 3 steps process. In first step, I have to select my Excel file. Let's go and select my RPG, which is my Excel with 3 spreadsheets in it. Click next step. There is no conversion yet. If you think of any conversion options yet, if you think of any conversion options that can tweak conversion in some specific ways, let me know. I will add it to app and click on next step. Here I can preview JavaScript. Just click on preview and you can see it creates my data from Excel file. It will be structure with all data in it from every spreadsheet will be presented as separate structure into this, like substructure into this. So we have an entire structure for document, then substructure for every spreadsheet with the data for that specific spreadsheet. And I can save result. Let's save it here into documents. This name of the file is okay, or let's name it like my RPG data. And just save. File has been saved. I think Firefox showing JavaScript files. No, it's not. I can just open it in editor and show it to you. So my RPG data, just open with Notepad, and you can see it has my data is global data accessible into JavaScript, and here is items, because I have a, let's see, I think I have items spreadsheet. Yep, item spreadsheet is a key, name, price. You can see everything is in here, and we can go to levels. It's another spreadsheet, levels, and so on. So basically all data is here and it's accessible from JavaScript. It's convenient to have Excel and tweak it and change it and then quickly convert it into JavaScript and use it. So, and also there is a possibility to run this app from command line if you specify app.exe then input files and output, input Excel files and output file name. It will automatically convert it from input file to output file from command line. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.